Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be just reminding you guys to claim the second reward on the Grow a Garden kind of New Year's event calendar thing. I don't know what it's called, but you're just going to go and talk to Paul, show me the New Year's streak, and you're going to claim it. You have about 6 hours from now, you'll get New Year's egg. You'll only get one though. So if you want to get more New Year's egg, you're just going to go AFK and use an auto clicker to click on the eggs, and you'll get really cool pets like this New Year's bird, celebration puppy, star wolf, fireworks sprite, as well as the New Year's champ. I have one more that I have yet to get, which is the very rare prismatic one. Transcendent, I think. I actually don't know, but it's very hard to get. It's like the New Year's dragon one, so hopefully I get that soon. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.